What if I told you you could have dinner on the table faster than having takeout delivered? And the best part is there's only one pot to clean. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe that if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make a homemade takeout favorite, orange chicken in the Instant Pot. But if you don't have an Instant Pot, don't worry. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'll tell you how you can make it on the stove and I'll give you some tricks to make this even faster. Okay, so let's get started with our orange chicken. The first thing we're gonna do, I have 2 chicken breasts here and we're going to season them up with some of my all-purpose seasoning. So just a nice liberal coating all over the top. And make sure you get both sides. Nobody wants bland chicken. So this all-purpose seasoning blend is my favorite. I use it on everything. So you can find that recipe in the video description below. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to transfer these into my Instant Pot and I have the trivet in there. So we're gonna set them right on top of the trivet. We don't want them setting on the bottom of the Instant Pot. Okay. So to the pot, we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. And I'm not pouring it over the chicken, just kind of down the side. We don't want to rinse off all that seasoning we just put on there. But we want to create a steamy environment in there so we get the pressure built and this cooks for us. So once we have that in there, we're going to put the lid on and we are going to cook this chicken on high for 10 to 13 minutes. It depends on the size of your chicken and how thick it is. So we're gonna get that going. Okay, so our chicken finished cooking in the Instant Pot. I drained the water from the pot and brought our chicken onto the cutting board. So we need to cut this up into bite-sized pieces. So it is very hot, so you need to be careful with this. We're not looking for precision, we just want biteable pieces. All right, so our chicken is ready. I'm going to move this aside and we're gonna bring our Instant Pot back because we're gonna finish the chicken in the Instant Pot. Remember I said one pot. So now we have our Instant Pot back. I didn't even wash the pot. I just emptied out the water, removed the chicken and trivet. Now we're going to turn it to the saute function and we're gonna make our sauce right in this pot. So our saute function has heated up. So to this, I'm going to add some orange marmalade. Get that in there. Some barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite kind is, just add it in there. We're gonna beef up that umami flavor. We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. And last but not least, some chili oil. Now that can be a little potent, so you can adjust the measurements based on your taste. It's entirely up to you. But we're gonna get that stirred around until it starts to come together. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so I see that that is starting to really heat up now. I'm going to add our cooked chicken in there. So all of that we chopped up, get that going. And we're gonna give that a good stir so everything is coated in that amazing sauce. Okay, so we're gonna let this hang out for a few minutes until everything starts to come together. That sauce will thicken up a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make some rice so we can serve this up. Okay, so this has been sauteing for a few minutes. The sauce is thickening up, but I think I'd like mine, I don't know if you can see me through the steam. I would like it a little thicker. So this is entirely up to you, but I have made a cornstarch slurry. So just about maybe a couple teaspoons of cornstarch in some cool water, and I'm just going to drizzle it in. I'm probably not even gonna use all of this, but just a little bit. and it'll start thickening up the sauce a little more. This is completely dependent on what you like. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. So you only need a little bit of that. Goes a long way. Little dab will do ya. That is the secret though, to get that nice, thick, drizzly sauce. Okay, this is looking done. I am gonna serve it up and we are gonna dive in for a taste. So remember I told you this is what it looks like. We're gonna finish it up before I go on. So I have some green onions here. I'm gonna put a nice little sprinkle of those on. And then just for fun, I have some sesame seeds. That looks pretty. So I told you, if you have an Instant Pot, don't worry, you can still make this. Just roast your chicken in the oven. Throw the chicken breast in the oven, 350, 15, 20 minutes until it's cooked through. It depends on how thick your chicken is, but you're gonna give it a quick roast in there, or you can even do it on the stovetop. Just sear it, pan sear it, and then just make your sauce right in the pan. There's no need to make a separate dish. You don't even need the Instant Pot, like I said. It's probably just as quick to do it either of those ways. If you wanna make this even faster, use thin chicken breast cutlets. So take those thick ones that we used, slice them like crosswise through there, get them nice and thin, and they'll cook up so quickly. You'll have this on the table in no time, I promise. So I cannot wait another second. I am going in. I'm gonna get this bite here, have a little bit of prepared rice. I love the jasmine rice, but we're totally going in. Look at that deliciousness. This is so good. You won't even miss takeout, and probably a lot less sugar than what you get in restaurants. The kick from the chili oil, This orange chicken is definitely a keeper. If you like this recipe, you have got to try my Instant Pot barbecue chicken and my air fryer sesame chicken. You're gonna love them. Make sure you grab the printable recipe card below. I'll see you in the next video.